Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a key topic for businesses bridging Russia and the UAE. How to enforce a UAE court decision in Russia. Let's break it down step by step in a clear, practical way. Growing ties, rising disputes, trade between Russia and the UAE has tripled over the last 3 years. That's great news for economic partners, but it also means more disputes arise from differing businesses' practices, legal systems, and cultural nuances. These issues often land in court, leaving one side with a UAE judgment they need to enforce against a counterparty in Russia. Why this matter for you? Imagine you've won a solid judgment in a UAE court after a tough commercial dispute, but your debtor is based in Russia with assets there. Without proper enforcement, that victory stays on paper. The process bridges jurisdictions effectively, protecting your rights and ensuring trade growth doesn't leave winners empty-handed, making it essential for any Russia-UAE partnership. No treaty, but clear Russian rules apply. Russia and the UAE lack a mutual legal assistance treaty for civil matters, so enforcement follows Russia's procedure laws, mainly their arbitral procedural code, APC. The goal? Get the UAE decision recognized in Russia, giving it the same force as a local court ruling. You start by filing a statement with the right Russian arbitration court. Choosing the right court under Article 32 of the APC, economic disputes go to arbitration courts, one in every Russian region. Pick the court based on the debtor's location or residence. If unknown, use where the assets are, like an office in Moscow Oblast if the debtor's HQ is unclear. For a Moscow-based company, head straight to Moscow's arbitration court. Preparing your statement and documents. Article 242 APC outlines the statement. Name the Russian court, the UAE court, parties involved, decision details, and your request for recognition and enforcement. Attach these legalized essentials. Certified copy of the UAE decision, proof it entered legal force, unless stated in the text, evidence the debtor was properly notified, power of attorney for your representative, copy sent to the debtor, notarized Russian translations of all, state duty payment receipt. Since UAE documents aren't simplified by treaties, legalize via Russia's Ministry of Foreign Affairs Consular Department first, then notarize translations. State duty: 30% of the claim price for a $10,000 award. Court review process. If complete, the court accepts and hears within 1 month. Notifying parties. Bolster your case with extras, like proof no UAE appeals pending, especially if the debtor objects. Crucially, Russian courts won't re-examine facts, they just check formalities. Grounds for refusal to watch for. APC lists refusal triggers. Avoid these. Decision not final in a UAE law. Debtor not properly notified. Exclusive Russian court jurisdiction per treaties laws. Prior conflicting Russian judgment. Earlier filed Russian case on same issue. Expired enforcement term, 3 years from finality unless extended. Violates Russian public policy. Verify these upfront. Finality notice, no parallel Russian cases, timely filing. From ruling to recovery, court issues a recognition order, appealable within a month, then requests an enforcement writ and take it to bailiffs or the debtor's bank. Note: open a Russian bank account first for recovered funds, per enforcement laws. Real-world practice. Judicial outcomes vary. Some courts enforce UAE rulings outright, others need appeals. It's doable, but detailed, demanding expert handling is needed. How we help. We guide you through every step. Document prep and legalization, court filings, countering objections, appeals if needed, and enforcement support, including bank setup for payouts. Our track record with international clients, multilingual comms, and deep Russian practice knowledge make it smooth. Thanks for watching. We deliver real solutions for cross-border challenges like these. Check out our services and get in touch to enforce your rights effectively. See you next time.